Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey, what's up guys? In this video I wanted to do another back testing results video for you. I just finished up testing NZDCAD on the 4-hour charts for the Gartley pattern, and I actually had some of the best results I've ever had for this pattern. I wanted to break down what I tested and what the results were. So we have our Gartley pattern right here. Basically the parameters for this test is when I would identify a Gartley pattern, I would draw out the Gartley pattern entries as usual. From your A to B, you get your 127 extension, and then from there I would front run my orders by 5 pips. So you take whatever your extension was plus 5 pips. So I would do a 5 pip front run. My targets, traditional targets from A to D. Target 1 was a 382. Target 2 was at the 618. When I hit target 1s, I would roll my stops to break even. And then my stops were a 113 inversion of A to X and back to A. So conventional targets, rolling stops once you get target 1, and a 113 inversion stop. Those were the parameters for the test, and these are the results I got. The win rate for target 1 was a 67.3% win rate, which is pretty good for the Gartley pattern. Target 2 hit 30.7% of the time and broke even 36.6% of the time, and that means we would hit target 1 and then I would roll stops to break even, and then I would get taken out for break even on the second half of my position. But for the Gartley pattern, this is the best win rate I've gotten off any pair I've tested before, and I've tested a lot of them. I'm not done completely yet. I have like 4 or 5 left that I need to go through, but this is the best one I've gotten through so far. So that was your win rate, 67.3%. Generally, you would average about 0.7% risk reward on target 1 and 1.6% or 1.6 risk reward on target 2. So for every dollar you put up, you get 1.6 or 0.7 on your first targets. But even with the less than 1-to-1 risk reward, you would still be extremely profitable with this high win rate. If we go over to our spreadsheet over here, we had a total of 101 trades over the 10-year period from 2011 to 2021, or to 2020, yeah, 2011 to 2020, 10-year period I tested this. Our profit factor was great at a 2.2, which means for every dollar you put in, you can expect to get $2.2 out. We had a total of 2,319 net pips for the whole period. And if you look at the year-over-year data, the last 2 years weren't too great, but overall, out of 10 years, we were profitable 7 out of 10, which is pretty good. We had a maximum drawdown of -6% for the 1% risk parameter. So great results overall. This is the best I've ever seen so far, so I'm pretty happy with it. As with anything, don't just take these results and go trade them. You got to go test it yourself. If you need something to back test with, you can use my spreadsheet that I use here. You can download that by clicking the link in the description below. You can get that for free. So I hope that helps. Good luck, good trading, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.